Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. Alright. This one, wow, okay. Oh, jeez. They always make, why do some breweries do this? You got to make it clear, man, on your can who the hell you are, right? And you got to make me look for it. Okay, brewed and canned by Paperback. I was supposed to know that, right? Okay, Paperback. It just says Paperback. It doesn't say Paperback Brewery. Okay, anyways, Paperback Brewing Company. Okay, they're from Glendale, California. Never heard of these guys before. And it says Bunny with a Chainsaw, double dry hopped hazy India Pale Ale, comes at 8.2% alcohol by volume. And I've never had this before, never seen it before, nothing. So I got this at Total Wine & More for like $5 for a pint. And get ready for this. This is what the label looks like. Yeah. Okay. His cuteness will cut you to pieces. Yeah. Okay. Paperback Brewing Company. Oh yeah, I never heard of this. Obviously, this is. I just saw it and I was like, okay, I'd go for it, man. It must have just came in because I haven't seen it before. Yeah, Total Wine & More just got this in, so let's get it cracked open and see what we got. Brand new brewery, brand new beer. All right, well, let's check them out. Definitely looks like a New England coming out. It's a big beer. It's a double Imperial. Shoot, what was that? 8.2? Yeah, that's an Imperial for sure. And Chainsaw Massacre Bunny. Woohoo! Cool. All right. Bunny with the chainsaw. Okay, I think you've seen it all. Now you're seeing this. All right. So we got Monster, frothy, creamy, silky head. A little bouncy there. So let's do this. Do it right. All right. If it works. Maybe not. There we go. Got some rain here in California today. We need it though. I mean, we're always on a drought, it seems like, so this is kind of good for California, but not for me as a cyclist. All right, so we have a kind of a murky kind of hazy, you know, like a orangey yellow color, but it's murky instead of just straight hazy. You just almost can see some of the sharpness of the light through it, so it's not really thick haze. It's more of a murky, lighter haze. Almost can see the sharpness of the light through it. Okay. Like this. All right, ready? Is that bright enough for you? Yeah, it's kind of a murky, yellowy, orangey type of color. Not bad looking. A little different than a lot of the hazies in color department. Okay. Really a little bit lighter than some. Not completely orangey, juicy looking. Okay. I'm picking up another one of them lights. Those are really cool. The head went real rocky on me here. Really nice rocky head now. So I got a feeling we're going to get a really nice donut off this puppy. Yeah, we did. Okay, see how that turns out. Usually better when the flash don't go off, but I gotta remember to do that. Turn the flash off before, so we can get a better shot of the donut. There's the rockiness at least. Okay. Alright. No seeing through it really. Not really, no. Alright, let's get an aroma on this puppy. Interesting. It's got a zesty kind of note coming off of it. Like a, almost like a lemon grapefruity zestiness. Citrusy, zesty. A little different. Orange, little touch of orange in there. Bunny with the chainsaw. Hazy India Pale Ale. Double dry hopped, okay? Double dry hopped. It's very important to say that. Oop. It's got like a really nice citrusy kind of note. It's not like super tropical though. It's more like a zesty. I'm getting like a mango, I think. Something like a mango. A little lemon zest kind of. It smells like a real light, like kind of light aroma, but it's citrusy and kind of zesty. I'm just going to take a hit. Let's go. Look at the creamy head that turned out to be. Really nice malt there. Ooh. Damn. This is tasty. Wow. Okay. Wow. Good job. Yum. Wow. Yeah, it's got a lot going on actually. Way more going on than the aroma. Maybe the aroma is just so much. I just was not. It was just too much to pick one thing up. There's just a general citrusy hoppiness, but the taste is similar, but way better, way more present. Grapefruit, tangerines, mango. Wow, this is complex. It's very good, very good. Man, this puppy is 8.2%. Wow. You can't tell at all. You cannot tell at all. No booziness, no raw alcohol notes. This is a very well constructed Imperial we have here. Damn. Holy moly. Where's this beer been all my life? I think maybe they're new brewery. I don't know. Maybe the beer was looking for me. But this is awesome tasting. Damn. Not crazy on the aroma. I mean, I was getting a little nervous there on the aroma, but as soon as I hit it, we're good. Damn. It's got a nice balance of the malts and the citrusy kind of fruity notes. It's got hoppy notes. Very nice tasting beer we have here. It's got that clean kind of thing going. It's like clean, zesty clean. It's kind of like that. It's fruity, tropical. I think I'm picking up maybe slight touch of apricot, maybe. Mm, mm. Wow. Mm. It's got a dankness to it, actually. I don't know what the IBUs are, but I think they're higher than 30 or 40. It's got a little bit of a dankness to it. Nice hop profile here. I mean, the malt backbones there backing it all up really nicely too. I mean, check it out. The lacing and the head retention. Really nice. It's still rocky. Guava. Yep. Almost, you know what? Pretty much checking off all the above, man. Right here. This beer is really impressive. Oh, okay. I'm glad I grabbed it. Awesome. It's fresh. I don't know how old it is, but it just came in, so it's got to be fresh. I don't see a date anywhere at all, but it definitely tastes fresh, man. It's got that kind of dank, fresh hop. You know, dry. It says it's dry hop. You can tell. All the flavor hops are coming through so much that it's really hard to pinpoint just one. But generally, it's amazing. So I'm going to trip out on it for a little bit, and I'll be right back. Yum, yum. Alrighty, I'm back. Been sipping on it for a minute. It's got some nice grapefruit notes coming through, along with all the other notes that I mentioned earlier. But the grapefruit is definitely standing out the most in this one for me, and some orange. But definitely grapefruit is definitely taking the front seat now that I've been tripping on it for a minute. Check this out. Look how creamy that is. This is such a great beer. Medium mouthfeel, no booziness, no raw alcohol notes, nothing like that. That, you know, such a big ABV beer. It's constructed extremely well. So we'll swill it one more time, then we'll wrap it up. Cheers. It's almost got everything, all the above, and then some. And then the grapefruit is just definitely right there up in the front seat. So with that, I'm going to give this puppy 5 stars. Picking them all out good lately. So we're getting good here on the West Coast, I noticed lately. Oh, that's amazing. This just got a dankness to it too. You can tell it's dry hopped. It's like you just put fresh hops right there and just... It's awesome. 5 stars. Incredible beer. Don't let the can art fool you. It's a serious beer. Well, I guess that's pretty serious, right? Little bunny with the chainsaw. That's pretty serious, I'd say. Yeah. So 5 stars. Really, really impressed with that. I will be checking out some more of these guys' beers if I see them, for sure. So this beer is awesome. Very, very tasty. So 5 stars. Double horns up. Good job. Thanks for stopping by. Hit like, subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And cheers.